Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Mathematics Sutras. Build and strengthen max concepts. Let's discuss train concept 4. Two trains crossing or overtaking. Here, distance traveled is total length of trains. So, length of train 1 plus length of train 2. Speed or velocity is relative speed. We already discussed relative speed in trains concept 3. Link is in description. Let's jump into the topic with few examples. Train A of length 300 meters traveling at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour crossed a train B in opposite direction. Length of train B is 200 meters and speed is 18 kilometers per hour. What is time taken to cross? First, distance is 300 plus 200 is 500 meters. Speed opposite direction 72 kilometers per hour plus 18 kilometers per hour is 90 kilometers per hour. Converted to meter per second. 90 into 5 by 18 is 25 meter per second. Time is distance by speed is 500 by 25 is 20 seconds. Do some examples. Here, train A overtaking train B. What is time taken to cover? Train A length 522, speed 90 kilometers per hour. Train B length 538, speed 18 kilometers per hour. Now, distance is 522 plus 538 is 1060. Speed same direction 90 minus 18 is 72 kilometers per hour converted to meter per second. 72 into 5 by 18 is 20 meter per second. Time is distance by speed is 1060 by 20 is 53 seconds. Stay tuned to my channel for more example on this concept. Moreover, we are going to discuss many more concepts. Have a great day.